Welcome to GearHead Insight, where machines speak, and gearheads listen. Today we're looking at a rugged off-road beast that has been reborn as a survival-grade motorhome, the 2026 Liebherr PR 724 Litronic. Originally built for precision grading and heavy-duty construction, this crawler dozer has been transformed into a tracked mobile home that can tackle the wild with no compromise. Powered by a 160 horsepower turbo diesel engine, the PR 724 is no speed demon, but it makes up for it in torque, control, and terrain-crushing capability. Liebherr designed this model for efficiency, smooth hydraulics, and long-term durability. With hydrostatic drive and responsive joystick controls, it's a crawler that delivers both finesse and raw strength. Now that same engineering is being used to carry a fully equipped off-grid home into places few vehicles could ever reach. The motorhome cabin has been custom-built to match the machine's industrial lines. With reinforced steel plating, matte finish paint, and weather-sealed doors, it looks more like a military survival pod than a camper. The exterior features high-efficiency solar panels, a backup diesel generator, and onboard water storage built into the frame. There's also a tool locker and an external ladder for rooftop access. Step inside, and you'll find a compact but efficient interior. The bed folds out from the wall to maximize space, while the kitchenette includes a propane cooktop, sink with filter, and a mini refrigerator powered by the solar array. There's also a compact dining setup and smart modular storage compartments that keep everything secure during rough movement. For hygiene, a wet bath design allows for a small shower and compost toilet. A solar water heater provides warm water on demand. While it's not luxury living, every element is optimized for survival, comfort, and long-term independence. The best feature of this build is, of course, its tracked undercarriage. The PR 724 moves across mud, rocks, snow, and hills without hesitation. Whether navigating forests, mountains, or disaster zones, this machine can go where wheels simply can't. It travels slowly, around 10 to 11 kilometers per hour, but it climbs, crawls, and pushes through terrain that would defeat most other rigs. The operator cabin has been converted for extended use, with padded seating, touchscreen navigation, and a communications system for remote areas. The lighting is red-tinted LED to preserve night vision, and blackout curtains ensure stealth when needed. Whether you're escaping danger or exploring the unknown, this machine delivers unmatched reliability and security. The 2026 Liebherr PR 724 Litronic Motorhome truck isn't just a conversion, it's a mobile bunker, a fortress on tracks. In a time when mobility and independence are more important than ever, this machine proves that living off-grid doesn't have to mean living small. At GearHead Insight, we bring you the world's most extreme machine builds, and this one's built to outlast anything. Take care, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.